Welcome back students. In this tutorial we are going to discuss software development lifecycle. So if you are new on my channel, so please like and subscribe Automation Warrior channel. So let's start software development lifecycle. So what is meant by software development lifecycle? It is the process used by the software industry to design, develop, test high quality software. If you want to develop and design high quality software, you should use SDLC. The SDLC aims to produce high quality software that meets clients' expectation and reaches completion within time and cost estimate. In SDLC, we can easily decide the time duration of the software development, and we can give the assurance the quality of the developed software. So different phases in software development lifecycle. So first one, requirement analysis or requirement gathering, then analysis, designing, coding, testing and maintenance. So information gathering and requirement gathering means what? So see here, this is the design which through we can develop the software. So client means application, means the clients give the application. The information gathering, requirement gathering. So BA will involve to get the requirement from the client. So BA will prepare BRS, means business requirement specification. In analysis, BA involves and create SRS, means software system requirement specification. Then FRS means functional requirements specification, and CRS means customer requirement specification. And designer architecture will design HLD and LLD, means high level design and low level design. In coding phase, developer will involve for application implement. In testing phase, the tester will involve to test the application. In maintenance and support is the last phase. So what is meant by BRS? BRS means business requirement specification. This document generally consists of complete scope of the project. So what is use of BRS? BRS is used to decide the complete scope of the project. Performance, requirements and usability is involved in BRS. BRS is the bridge between customer and client and PA. Then what is meant by SRS? SRS means software requirement specification. A software requirement specification is a description of a software system to be developed. In the SRS document, all functional and non-functional requirements are covered. SRS is derived from BRS. So what is meant by BRS and SRS? BRS means business requirement specification and SRS means software requirement specification. In BRS, the document generally consists of the complete scope of the project. And SRS, a software requirement specification, is description of a software system being developed. In SRS document, all functional and non-functional requirements are to be covered. So what are the include in SRS document? So functional flow diagram. So what is meant by functional flow? See the example. Facebook app, then sign up, then login page, and then home page, and then profile page. So this is the functional flow. Functional requirement. Example, sign up means requirement: first name, last name, mobile number, email ID, date of birth, gender, password, submit button. So these are the functional requirement. And what is meant by use cases? Use cases consist of description and acceptance criteria. Description means details about the requirement. So use case consists of description of and acceptance criteria. Acceptance does and doesn't of the functionality. For example, mobile number. Description. In this field, we need to enter the active mobile number. In this field, only number can be entered, other character should not be accepted. So this is the description about the mobile number. Then acceptance. It should accept only 10 digits mobile number. If we are entering less than or greater than 10, it should show an error pop-up message. Then screenshot and snapshot. Snapshot are the visualization of functionalities before the development of the product. Snapshot is made by BA using HTML code and erase software. In designing phase, solution designer architecture are involved. So in that, HLD and LLD will be developed. HLD means high level design, external functionality of the application in that development. LLD means low level design, internal functionality of the application. Front end developer will involve in LLD. In the coding phase, see the next phase is in software development lifecycle. Coding means program. One line is code. Multiple line of code is called program. Set of program written by developer creates the application software. Means the set of program written by developer create the application software. So what are the types of developer involved in SDLC? Front end developer and back end developer will involve. So front end developer, UI functionality, functional flow etc. developed by the front end developer. And back end developer, data management, data gathering, data security is developed by the back end developer. In the testing phase, the tester will involve. Tester are working on TCD and TCE, test case design and test case execution. The last topic in SDLC is maintenance and support. We provide some warranty 1 month. After the 1 month, client will pay for support. So this is about the SDLC, means software development lifecycle. In SDLC, we follow the step like requirement analysis, planning, designing, coding, testing, then maintenance and support. So these are the phase we are following while developing the software. I hope you like this video. If you like, please like, subscribe and share to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video.